That's right, everybody. I have officially hit 20,000 subscribers. This is mind-blowing to me. When I started the channel, all I really wanted to do was provide people with some information, some instruction, and help people get out and work on their classic minis. I never imagined that it would reach 20,000 subscribers, and much less in however long it's taken to get to 20,000 subscribers. It feels like it was just yesterday that I was starting off and I had 500 subs, and I just started getting sponsored by 7 Mini Parts. And I mean, it feels like yesterday, but we've covered a lot of really cool stuff on the channel over the years. Right now, working on the supercharged engine. Before that, how-to videos on all sorts of different jobs. And I want to say a huge, enormous, unending thank you to everybody who's supported the channel over the years. Whether you supported the channel by purchasing merch or just watching the videos and letting those ads run, or even if you've decided to graciously support me monthly on patreon.com, everybody who watches an episode is helping to further and support the channel, and I want to say thank you so much. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed my little reenactment of the event of getting to 20,000 subscribers. Unfortunately, it was a little anticlimactic because it did happen overnight. This kind of thing does tend to happen with my channel because a lot of my viewers are overseas, and morning time over there is a little bit earlier than morning time over here. So thank you so much for helping me pass this milestone. I really want to build this channel and continue on and do all sorts of different stuff with the channel. Continuing on with classic minis, but maybe branching out into some other stuff in the future. And I'll get deeper into that in a minute. I have a few ideas and I'd love to hear your opinion. But before that, I want to mention and I want to share with you guys that I am going to be doing a giveaway for $200 US or your equivalent currency amount in whatever country you live in. I want to give away a $200 gift card to a mini parts supplier. Now, if you're in North America, I'm going to be working with my parts sponsor, 7 Mini Parts. I'll purchase a parts voucher that you can use on any sort of mini parts from 7 Mini Parts. If you don't live in North America, don't worry, this giveaway is still open to you as well. I will just purchase a voucher at whatever parts supplier you want me to purchase it at. Something that is convenient for you. Entering this giveaway, super simple. No purchase required, no raffle, no nothing like that. Just head to the link in my description. I've used this giveaway platform before. Basically, it has you do a few actions like visiting my channel and some of my websites, checking those things out, as well as signing up to the newsletter so you can stay up to date with the channel. And then that will enter you in to win this $200 gift card. But to get back to the thing about what I want to do with the channel here in the future, I've been thinking about this for quite a bit of time. I have been trying to figure out what do I want the direction of the channel to actually go, and what do I want to do in the future. And so this might be a little bit of a bombshell. You guys brace yourself for this, but I might get a different car than a Mini. Just gonna let that sink in a minute. Classic Mini DIY gets a different car. Now, it does not mean that I'm going to stop working on classic minis by any stretch of the imagination. I still have a boatload of stuff I want to do on my Mini. I also would really like to get a full restoration project and maybe even do an electric conversion on a classic Mini at some point in the future here. But in the short term, I have to save a little bit of money in order to be able to convert my carport into a garage before I can take on a project like that. And working on the Weber carburetor with my classic Mini has really lit a fire under the old Italian classic car fire, or that little passion side project. I'd really like to get an old Fiat 500 or a old Alfa. Anything like that I think would be really cool. Or some sort of old off-road vehicle like a Toyota FJ, or what would be really amazing is a series Land Rover or a later Land Rover that I can then do a modern diesel engine swap on. It's something that I've really wanted to do, and I've really wanted to make one of them kind of my daily driver. So I have my Mini in the Land Rover instead of the Mini in the Tacoma, while I do love my Tacoma. So if any of that sounds cool to you, stay subscribed. There's lots more to come here. And I do want to mention one more thing before I cap off this video. I am going to be reducing the amount of videos I do on a monthly basis so that I can focus on making really, really good individual videos. I think you guys probably might agree with me. What helped my channel grow at the beginning was videos that would focus on a specific topic, and I would spend a good solid episode doing that. Not these kind of long episodic series, although I will do some of those, especially once I get into the bigger restoration projects. But I do want to get back to my roots in that I want to start making videos that cover a big topic and that you can look back to as a reference here in the future. I'm probably going to be redoing a few of my older videos that I think I could do a little bit better now. So to recap, enter in the giveaway. Post in the comment section your thoughts on my trajectory with the channel, what you think about that. And if you guys have any leads on an old Fiat 500 as a project, I'd really be interested in that. So either comment below or send me an email at classicminidiy@gmail.com. Yeah, just let me know your thoughts. And if you like the video, if you're happy that I've made it to 20,000, consider liking and subscribing as well. But yeah, that's it for this episode. I will see you guys on the next episode, and until then, enjoy those minis and motor on.